25 days to break your worst habits before New Year hits. No willpower required, no deleting apps, just retraining your brain week by week. But first, you need to understand why willpower always fails. Most people try to quit cold turkey. Delete the apps, block the sites, and it works for 3 days. Then they're back. Why? Because your brain doesn't unlearn a habit just because you removed the trigger. It needs to be retrained. That's what this 25-day plan does. Week by week, you're not fighting the urge, you're replacing it. Week 1, awareness. Your only job this week, track it. Every time you do one of your bad habits, scrolling, gaming, staying up stupid late, write it down or note it in your phone. When I did this, I realized I checked my phone 87 times in one day. 87. By the end of week 1, you'll see your patterns clearly. Then pick your single worst habit and cut it by 50%. If you scroll 4 hours a day, aim for 2 this week. For me, it was late night gaming. Instead of sleeping at 3 a.m., I forced myself to stop at midnight. Small win, but it proved I could change. And once you know your worst habit and you've cut it down, you're ready for week 2. Week 2, replacement and remove triggers. Week 2 is where most people fail because they try to resist the urge. Don't resist it, replace it. Every time you feel the urge, do a 5-minute replacement action. You've got 2 simple options: physical, 10 push-ups, a quick walk, or stretch. Mental, read 2 pages or journal for 5 minutes. Pick one and use it every time the urge shows up. Now we use this momentum in week 3. Week 3, build the routine. This is Christmas week. Everyone's distracted, routines fall apart. But you're locking in a daily routine. Morning, 10-minute walk or stretch. Midday, use your replacement action when the urge hits. Night, 2-minute reflection. Write down 1 win from today. Late night gaming was my thing, and I forced myself to stop at midnight. I went outside for 5 minutes, then journal. First time in months, I went to bed without feeling guilty. Week 3 is where the shift happens, and then comes the final phase. Week 4, lock it in and add 1 new habit. This is the final week before 2026. You've cut the bad habit by 75%. You've replaced the urge. You've built a routine. Now, lock it in. Add 1 new habit you'll carry into 2026. Not 5, not 10. 1. Morning pages, daily walk, journal before bed. Something small that reinforces, I'm in control now. By December 31st, you're not the same person who started on December 7th. You've retrained your brain. I'm starting this 25-day reset today. Comment, week 1 starts today, and tell me your 1 worst habit. 25 days. Let's finish 2025 in control and walk into 2026 as a different person.